This ABC 15 Flash Briefing is sponsored by Sanderson Ford. Straight up.
Hi, I'm Nick Soletti here with your afternoon update from ABC 15 Arizona. Banner Health is enforcing a vaccine mandate among employees as the state continues to see a rise in the Delta variant. The largest private employer in the state has roughly 52,000 team members. They have until November 1st to be fully vaccinated. Banner says this is to protect patients and the workforce. They have a similar policy in place for the flu shot. Dr. CARA says vaccines are the strongest prevention and mitigation tool we have against COVID-19, a tool that was not available last summer nor when we saw the surges last year. But now Arizona is seeing an increase in cases attributed to this more contagious Delta variant.
We know that 99% of the deaths since January have been in unvaccinated individuals. And in the month of July, 90% of the cases have been in unvaccinated individuals. This is quickly actually transitioning into a pandemic of the unvaccinated.
The decision to enforce a mandate is ultimately up to an individual employer, but when it comes to school districts, it's a different story. Arizona recently banning districts from requiring masks. It continues to be a contentious topic for many families. The Phoenix Union High School District is partnering with Wesley Health Centers to provide COVID vaccines as well as other health services like dental screenings or sports physicals. The events are set for July 30th and also on the 31st. You can find a location or register online at pxu.org/behealthy. TOLLESON, now the latest city in Arizona to put protections in place for the LGBTQ community. According to our news partners KTAR, 10 cities around the state now have ordinances that prohibit housing and employment discrimination based on gender identity or sexual orientation. Violators can now face up to $1,000 in fines. Applications are now open for the state's return to work bonuses instead of offering the additional unemployment benefits from the federal government. Arizona is now giving $2,000 to workers who are able to get off unemployment and secure a new job. Governor Doug Ducey said to return to Arizona today after attending the Republican Governors Association conference. It happened in Colorado. The governor tweeting out these photos yesterday of him discussing school choice on a panel. His caption reads, in part, "We work hard to give every child in our state access to the best possible education, one that best fits their needs." Governor Ducey, currently the chairman of the Republican Governors Association. Getting back to school starts today and will continue all the way through August 11th. Districts across the state begin on different dates. We have a complete section on our website dedicated to all of the back to school information that you need. We also want to see your first day of school photos. Your parents, teachers, students, email your photos to share at abc15.com. We're getting a better look at the impact the pandemic had on tourism here in Arizona. Travelers spent $15 billion in 2020. The Arizona Office of Tourism reports that while the number is high, it's down 41% from 2019. Tourism jobs also dropped by 17%. HARKINS Theater is planning to close its North Valley location, but there is no official closing date just yet. The North Valley spot is located near 32nd Street and Bell Road. HARKINS says the theater needed a substantial investment that just wasn't feasible. But they do hint that there are some plans in place to make maybe a new location, but no word yet on when that would open or where exactly.
Time now for that most accurate forecast. I'm meteorologist HERMOSILLO. Still hot and humid today. Look for a high of 107 in Phoenix with highs in the 80s to 90s across northern Arizona. We're going to start off with some clouds and those clouds clear. And then by this afternoon to the evening, we could see some thunderstorms move into the valley. Today's storm chances looking a little bit better than yesterday, but those storm chances are going to crank up even further as we track this disturbance approaching from the east. That's going to enhance the rain potential across our state as early as Thursday, and that better rain chance will continue through at least Saturday, even Sunday morning. So we've got flash flood watches that go into effect Thursday through Saturday as there's a threat for heavy rain and flash flooding as we wrap up the week. Today, a 30% chance for thunderstorms, which could produce some strong winds or dust and maybe some heavy rain too. Tomorrow, that chance up to 50%, then rain likely Friday into Saturday. Look at how those temperatures will be falling too. We'll go from 107 today into the 90s starting Friday.
Another update tonight. Until then, get the latest news, weather, and traffic at abc15.com or just download our free ABC 15 mobile app.
This ABC 15 Flash Briefing is sponsored by Sanderson Ford. Straight up.